My name is Caleb Gerals. I'm an HVAC and med gas mechanic here at Riddleberger Brothers.
My name is Christian Fry, and I'm a sales engineer with Riddleberger Brothers.
I'm Mike Omertrout. I'm an HVAC small project superintendent.
My name is Daniel Blosser. I'm president here at Riddleberger Brothers. I've been here for 38 years.
A little over 2 years now.
4 years.
I've been here for 24 years.
So it's a lot like family.
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 We're really valued here and we feel like family. Being a part of the RBI team means being a part of something bigger than yourself. Being able to collaborate with your friends and your coworkers is a big part of it for us, and helping out the community in any way that we can.
We have a long storied history, been in business for over 86 years. Riddleberger Brothers started in 1940. We were a mom and pop organization with probably less than 10 folks at that time. And since that time, through the advent of air conditioning, we have grown to over 450 folks.
Being part of the RBI team means a lot to me. I enjoy working with my crews and being on the construction job, learning new stuff day to day. We all respect each other, make sure we're doing the job safely, trying to get the job done on time.
Being part of this Riddleberger, it's everything to me. It's provided everything for my family, my kids. I really like the job, the hands-on job, actually building something, creating something from nothing. The values of RBI come through in the way we take pride in our work.
Actions speak louder than words, and every day I see our core values in the craftsmanship and the work that we provide. Number one is to be safe. The construction industry is inherently dangerous, so we want our employees to go home the same way they come to work every day. So being safe is a number one priority. On top of that, being honest, being respectful, being collaborative, and being innovative. Those core values have been with us since our beginning.
One of the biggest things that sets Riddleberger apart is the way that they treat their employees. We're trusted to perform at a high level, just trusting us to handle things in the best way that we see fit, and we're very successful because of it.
I've always said you really have to enjoy what you do to be good at it. Coming to work every day, I enjoy what I do. I may be a president, but I'm also a plumber, and being able to interact with our folks and help them, do their job day in and day out. I love working at RBI because it's my family.